Hi, welcome coders. Today we will break down what artificial intelligence really is, explore its fascinating history, and understand how it relates to machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI. Whether you are completely new to AI or brushing up, this video will give you the perfect start. Here where we will see generative AI is a subset of deep learning and deep learning is a subset of machine learning and all together machine learning, deep learning, generative AI is subset of AI, artificial intelligence. So these are the branches: machine learning, deep learning and generative AI. What is artificial intelligence? AI is a field of computer science focused on creating machines capable of performing tasks that normally require human intelligence. Classic definition we can say the science of making science machines perform tasks that require human intelligence. Everyday example we can say voice assistants like Alexa and Siri. Siri from our iPhone, Alexa from Amazon. Recommendation systems on Netflix and YouTube. These also we can see these are the AI related. And customer service chatbots and Google Maps route optimization. Route optimization, Google Maps, everything is based on AI. Customer service chatbots based on AI. AI versus human intelligence. AI's goal. AI goal is simply emulate specific aspects to the human intelligence like recognizing speech or playing chess or any other activities, but not full human consciousness. Weak AI versus strong AI. Weak AI is nothing but designed for specific examples, spam filters, face recognition is all weak AI. Simply it does based on the patterns of data. Okay, that's what weak AI. Strong AI, the theoretical concept of machines which human-like flexible intelligence can be compared and identifying. That is the strong AI. Now we will see topic 4. Key milestones in AI history. From 1952 till date. 1950, Alan Turing purposes the questions, can machines think? Turing test. He has made the first attempts for the AI. 1950. 1956, Dartmouth Conference. Birth of AI as a scientific field. 1956, they have further developed identifying what is the AI. So 1960s and 70s, early expert systems like Dendral and Mycene. 1980s, AI winter, decrease in funding and interest due to high expectation and limited computing power. They have decreased the fund and interest. So they lost the interest in fact. 1997, IBM has taken over and 2022, after GPT comes, everything is come to life. AI versus machine learning versus deep learning. AI artificial intelligence, the broad science of mimicking human abilities. Machine learning, what is called ML, subset of AI which we already discussed, where machines learn patterns from data. Without data, it cannot learn without being explicitly programmed. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning using deep neural networks inspired by the human brain, excels at image and speech recognitions. Visualize it like this. AI is subset of, you have the subset ML and DL. Each is subset of each other. So AI, you have the subset of ML and DL. These are the things. Topic 6. What is generative AI? Generative AI focuses on creating new content like images, text, music rather than just analyzing data. See, ChatGPT generates human-like text. Everybody uses ChatGPT. If you question anything, it will give you immediate answers based on your context, based on your questions. Same way, DALL-E creates images from text prompts. I want the image of king. It produces the images. Midjourney and stable diffusion of creating images synthesis. Why it matters? GenAI blurs the line between human creativity and machine capability. Also, enabling tools like automated content creation and interactive storytelling. That's what the generative AI. Real life application of AI. Real life application of AI you can see in healthcare department, finance department, e-commerce, entertainment, transportation, manufacturing, and many more. AI reads X-ray, predicts patient risk. If you generate the X-rays and send it to the AI, it predicts the disease of the patients based on the past histories. It studies and give you a summary output. Finance, it detects fraud and automates trading. E-commerce recommends products and optimizes inventory. Entertainment, personalized movie song recommendation. Transportation, powers self-driving cars like Tesla, predicts traffic. Manufacturing uses predictive maintenance to reduce downtime. Manufacturing is an area they have more inclined to AI because it should predict so that the maintenance will be very less. Quick recap and key takeaways. AI is everywhere from your phone to your car. Understanding the difference between AI and machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI will help you navigate your learning journey. Now you know the key milestones that brought us here. Next video, I'll explore the AI across industries, diving deeper how AI is transforming the world. Like, comment, and subscribe if you found this helpful. Drop comment below whatever you most exciting AI application you have here too. Thanks. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video.